Find the distance between the points P minus 2, minus 3 and Q 3, 4. Okay, if we use a diagram, and the idea is to be able to do this without a diagram, if we call this point P minus 2, 3, and this point here is 3, 4 on our grid. Okay, now we can see for here, the x-coordinate here is going to be 3. Now I could work out this distance. I know I can see it's 5 from the graph, but I can work out this distance from the x-coordinates by taking 3 and then taking away minus 2. So if I do 3 minus minus 2, I get 5. So you can see I get that distance there. Now this distance here, I can get by, this one here is the y-coordinate of this particular point, which is 4. And then I can take away from it the y-coordinate of this one. So 4 minus minus 3, which is 7. And obviously I can see that's 7 of the largest squares along. Now, so if we label the coordinates x2, y2 and x1, y1, this distance here can be found by doing y2 minus y1, and this distance here can be found by doing x2 minus x1. Now, it doesn't matter which way around you put them, because eventually we're going to square them. And then we know from our rule of Pythagoras that the square of this side plus the square of this side is equal to the square of this side. So using Pythagoras' theorem, the distance will be x2 minus x1 all squared, which is that distance, x2 minus 1, x1, and then we square it, so it's that distance squared, plus y2 minus y1 all squared. So in this particular case, if we put the coordinates in, it's going to be 3 minus minus 2, so be careful minus signs, plus 4 minus minus 3 all squared. So that's going to be the square root of 5 squared plus 7 squared, which gives me the square root of 5 squared, which is 25, 7 squared, which is 49, 25 plus 49 gives me the square root of 74. Now normally we leave the answer like this, or we can say it's approximately equal to 8.6023 significant figures. So this has been a video to show you how to find the distance between 2 points, and usually we use this formula without having to actually draw it, but sometimes drawing it can give a much clearer explanation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.